friends, I am Akshan Single. Today we will see the table of 82 in the table trick series. So let's start. As I told you, in the table of 71, you have to write the both numbers separately. Okay, so the table of 8 in one side and the table of 2 in another side. After writing it separately, and then what you have to do is you just have to select from where the 2-digit numbers begins in the right side table. You just have to select in the right side table you have to select the extreme left digit, and in the left side table you have to select the extreme right digit of the number, and then you just have to add them and write in between. And where are the single digits in the right side table, you just have to write the both numbers as it is. The both numbers from left side table and the right side table, you have to write them as it is. Like here I am writing. Okay. And from where the 2-digit number begins, you have to, as I told you, have to add the numbers. In the right side table, you have to add extreme left side, select, and in the left side table, you have to select extreme right side, and then add both of them, and then write in between. Okay. And before writing that, before showing you an example, I want to tell you that which number you have selected, the both numbers. In the right side table, which number you have selected, the extreme left side. After that, what number will come, that you have to write in the right side. In the right side. And in the left side table, what number you have selected, that number's left side digit or digits, that you have to write in the another side. And in the between, you have to write the addition of the center numbers, which two numbers you have selected, like 0 plus 1, 1, and the number as it is we have to write 410. Same in the next, 8 plus 1, 9, 4 in the left side, 2 in the another side, 492. Okay, so 4 you have to write here, and then 6 plus 1, 7, and remaining numbers in the left side, like 5 is there, only 5. If there are 2-digit number, then also you can write. Same in the next, and in the last also it is same. So now let's see the table of 88. I write the both numbers separately. I think this is gonna be little bit easy because the right side number is also same and table is also same. The left side number is also same and table is also same. Okay, so I think this is going to be a little bit hard or easy, something. I don't know that it is going to be easy or hard. Let's see. Okay, so in first there is 8 and 8. Both numbers are single. Just write them as it is. From second side, there is two numbers. I mean 2-digit numbers in both sides. So the right side numbers, left side digit, and the left side numbers, extreme right side digit. Add them both, and then write in the between. And first write the 6 as it is, then the addition of center numbers, then the extreme left side number, 176. Okay, and write same like we did just now. Same, do the same. Okay, here same thing is there. Okay, now is the carry. Now is little bit harder is started, because now carry is there. Carry, I hope you know carry. Now you have to carry the numbers. For that, the half trick is same and half trick is different for carry. At first, what you have to do is same like before. Write the extreme right side digit 8. After that, the 8 plus 4 will be 12. So you don't have to write 12 here. Okay, here you have to write only 2 of 12, You have to write only 2, and which one will be remain, or another any number will be remain, that you have to add with the extreme right side, sorry, extreme left side digit number. Like 4 plus 1 5, 5 was remain, 1 was remain, and extreme left side is 4. 4 plus 1 5, 5 28. Same is the next also. Here is also carry. The next is also carry. Yeah. 4 plus 6 is 10. 0 error as it is. 6 plus 1 7, 704. 2 plus 7 9. Okay, this is the single digit. 2 plus 7 is 9. 792. Here is no need. And now the last is not carry. So 880. So this is the table of 88. Okay, so next video we will see the table of 93 and 96. So if you want the trick, please like this video, subscribe our channel for updates, and if you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.